Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and make a quick overview of gaming mouse from Asus ROG Gladius III wireless. I will share my first impression and some cool features about the mouse. So let's get started. The ROG Gladius III comes in both wired and wireless editions. We can see the familiar hand shape has remained the same since the original version. It has tri-mode connectivity: wired USB, wireless, and Bluetooth. Dedicated button for pairing. Up to 3 Bluetooth devices can be paired. 100% PTFE materials of the mouse feet features rounded edges to make the Gladius III fastest in the series. And cable was upgraded to Paracord cable to reduce drag. It has a new mysterious pattern on the side by making it illuminated unique laser-engraved ROG markings. That reminds me something. Matrix code. The new construction of the mouse resulted in a massive weight reduction of 35% from 130 to 89 grams, and wired version even lighter. Asus Pugio is my main mouse, and it's really heavy comparing to new Gladius III, which is just 98 grams. They're both thanks to our technology, which you can control with the app. Good choice for all grips: palm, fingertip, claw. Share in the comment what's your grip, guys. DPI on the scroll button allows you to change sensitivity on the go. RGB lighting, customizable and aura sync support. And me, being not only beautiful and smart girl, but also a digital geek, would really love to know what's inside of this mouse. If you are someone like me, let's take a look together. With Gladius 3, you have the ability to swap in both 3-pin mechanical switches or 5-pin optical ones. Zero unwanted click on both optical and mechanical micro switches. Thanks to push-fit switch socket 2 and ROG micro switches. There becomes an indispensable features for high-end mouse. This is a game changer, as main switches are usually the first things to break on a mouse. Another dedicated button lets you cycle through the profiles. Onboard memory profiles 5. For customizing settings for more games or other tasks. The calibrated 9000 dpi optical sensor with 1% deviation and specially tuned up to 26,000 in software. ASUS has a sensor calibration tuning set on the production line to make sure the actual tolerance is less than 1%, and you're also able to make auto and manual calibration via ASUS Armory Create app. What I really like about this mouse, it's lightweight, tri-mode connectivity, ASUS Aura Sync and RGB lighting. But I would like to know, what do you think? And have you used a Gladius series? And what is your thoughts? What is your favorite gaming mouse? Please share in the comment section below. Let's discuss. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video, and if so, please thumbs up and subscribe to see more tech reviews. And see you in the next one.